Welcome, Jamaica Good Life fans and friends. I'm going to introduce you to a construction company, CK Constructions in New York. You could dial that number and leave a message to get to them. 913 912 3292. Just leave a message. If you want your basement to be redone, your house, anything you need, contact CK Constructions in New York. Let's start the music because I want to go through some of these pictures with you. These guys are top notch and they're going to be working on my mother's house. So if them a work on my house, them can work on your house or your building. Let's go. Music. All right, so they sent me some pictures and we're going to review the work that they do. This is Jamaica Good Life. I will say Jamaica Good Life. We mean say we want the house to be nice, everything. We're business. And this is why I'm introducing these guys to you because I love them work. Now check it out. So this is a building that they got. And their goal was to remodel this building. So you see the tiles no line. Looks very old fashioned. Kitchen look old fashioned. It not ready, it not modern. So what did CK Constructions do? They had to gut out this whole house and redo it. Let's take a look. So this is the before. Regular little house. So them call CK Constructions and them start to the work. Them start gut out everything. As you can see, they do electrical work. Wow. Total guttings. First thing them do. Maybe one day them can hire me. I know, so around there big, so them throw away all the garbage. You see the house wall. Roofing too. Wires. Light fixtures. Wow, it's a lot of work. Them just cut out everything. Now when them get to the floor, them notice that the support system for the floor. The support system bad. Rotten out. Why? Wow, these Jamaicans are good. That's why we have to keep in the family and hire Jamaicans. But I know every Jamaican you must hire. That's why I promote these guys. Because some Jamaicans not treat you right. But CK Constructions, they'll treat you right. No. So this is the flooring. We can see that the wood is damaged. Then just oil. So let's see what they're gonna do. Look on the wood close. I'm gonna slow down. This is it just oil, right? Yeah. Pipes and thing. Alright. Yes man, the support system rotten out. Termites and thing. Look there. Ain't no normal. CK Construction get the 5-star. We're not even sure what them do yet, but we know so them have to do some serious work. This old house, yeah, so no normal. So when you see a house, you don't know what's lurking beneath it. So let's keep going. See what they're gonna do. Alright, so them start clean up and everything. Them start the strategy. They're looking at the wood. The heater is there. It says, oh my, the pipe system is rusting. We have to put new pipe system. Oh, they bought their new support board. Okay, then buy them new pipes and them new pipes and thing. Ah, them set up a work table. Me, you know, some I forgot build one of them workbench for myself too. Why they might have to go hire me. So now them say, alright, pipe, them start cut them pipes now. Them start lay out them board. Oh, them a replace the foundation. Whoa. Them a replace the foundation. Nice. See how them a improve the thing? CK Constructions. I could go back to the video, yeah, so. Yes.
Okay. Let's see how much
difference. Wow. These guys have a level of perfection. I love them. Not rush the thing. Masterpiece. Hard work. Lovely. I love when Mr. Good Craftsman. Yes, man. Money well spent right here. CK Constructions. Yeah, man. Look here. Them change the board. That's what I talk about. So now that has to be up to code because it's in America. So so America they not play with them things. Alright, so them change the foundation. And them feel good about themselves. Much respect. Nice fresh schools. I would probably paint the screw them black still. Because I mean, I want to say shine screws. Water might go on it. But that's not my preference. So respect. Alright, play that song again. Come like that song there. Okay. So now they changed the plumbing to PVC and the pipes. Yes. And I don't recommend people, because if you guys have any problem, you're gonna blame me. And this is not a paid advertising. I'm gonna do this thing lightly because I don't want Jamaica Good Life to be my brand to be damaged by referrals. So I'm very sensitive to referring companies. If you have any problem with this guy, you just call me. Look at that. So they're changing the pipes. They combined in. The work look good. Plumbing looks good. All right. They have their flooring. Right. So basically, let's see. Right, no. All right. So basically, right, that's okay. Things are looking better. So them putting now them flooring. Plumbing. It's looking good. Let's go back to the video. I love this kind of stuff.
Okay, let's see. That is for shower. Drain for shower. Reader. Okay. Water line tapped in for shower. Main coming in. Drainage. Only thing left is just to connect this piece and that piece. So. And that goes straight downstairs. Very good.
Good job.
Okay, let's see.
All right, so them set up the drain and everything. Nice, lovely, lovely work. You guys are seeing this. The progress. Pipe looks good. The cutouts are even. Yes. Nice. Was that a video? Hold on. Very nice. Floor is done. Plumbing is done. Hot water system for the heater setup. So now they're running the electricity special wires, I guess. And they're coded for different places. So based on the location, the wires are coded. Okay. And I'm going to learn how to do this because these guys are going to bring me along so I could learn, because I want to build my own house in Jamaica. I went to Jamaica, did my own plumbing. So for the bathroom, I use a cement board. That's for water. Okay, so basically when you have water, I think you have to use cement board. Okay, I never know that. All right. Electric outlets, so now they're putting down their sheetrock. They use green sheetrock because of water. They use the green sheetrock in the bathroom for molds. It doesn't work. It gets rid of molds and stuff. All right. Wow. So this fireplace is really bad. Okay. So wait a minute, they framed the window right here. Okay, so they reframed this. All right. Yes. Okay, they framed the windows. Okay. They put the installation. Now they're putting up their sheetrock. Okay. Electricity, them deal with that. Lights working. They use reset lights. Lights up and running.
These lights.
Resets lights. All right. No shadows in the house. That's the key. When you do your lights, it's not just a center light. You have to use lights, not a reset lights. Outlets are double up.
Alright,
outlets.
so fridge.
Refrigerator.
Fridge going here.
Countertop.
Shelf space. Not sure about that yet. Sink. Stove.
Sink, stove.
More cabinets up here.
Cabinets
here. Windows. And then you can
turn on the
off
music
lights from right here. Same 3-way controller. Bedroom.
I could rewind the video here with CK Constructions. I say.
Let's just do it like this. Yeah. Still a lot left to go. You got these lights.
Nice reset lights.
A 2-way switch over there, so you can turn all of that off same way. Outlets, switches. All right, so fridge going here. Counter with shelf space. Not sure about that yet. Sink, stove. More cabinets up here. Other cabinets here. windows. And again, you can turn off the lights them from right here. Same three-way controller. Bedroom. Closet over there. Still gotta cut that out. TV mount going up there. Still have more outlets over here. Gonna put a light up inside of there. Light switch. Another outlet. Here's another access tool to the bathroom. Okay, so that's just finished. Need finishing over here. And these two lights are gonna work independently. And the vent. Vanity. Cabinet. In-wall cabinet. Toilet. And then here's another door leading back out, so. Front door. And there's more windows over here. Well, okay.
All right, people. So that is. Let's keep looking here. Very good. Very nice. Nice indeed. One construction company. CK Constructions, New York. They can go anywhere in the country. I wish these guys were in Jamaica. Look at this. But to rent out your house in America and to set it up, you're going to have to call them, be on that waiting list because they're very busy. And let's see. No joking. Randy recommendation is very strong. All right, good recess lights, sheetrock, everything up. Bathroom is getting ready. Very nice. Very nice. Now the tiling is going down. They start to do their tiling. I'm a stickler when it comes to tiling. If you're a good tiler, I have respect for you. Tiling is an art. It's not a job. You have to respect tiling. And you see that these guys are not just throwing tiles down. They're perfectionists. They're using the tools to make sure everything is aligned and spaced properly. You have human errors, but the more tools you use at your disposal, you should get more perfection. And whenever I go into a house, the key thing for me is tiling. That's what I look at: flooring, tiling, edging, and paint. If something is off with a tile when I'm in the bathroom, it disturbs my head. When I'm sitting in the toilet, on the toilet, if I see a tile off, me just it disturbs me. I like to see tiling work that is amazing. As a matter of fact, I rather use custom tiles that match the length of the wall so that there's no, you use a longer tile and cut up the tile so that no matter what, you buy the tile based on the longest wall. That's what you do. You calculate the purchase of the tile. That's how I think, you know. But tiling for me is very important. It seems like these guys are good with them tiling. Bathroom looks nice. It's an entire finishing job. The floor is nice. All right. Now look where we are from where we started. If we should go back and remember all the really, so they buy the cupboards and things. Look where we are. Wow. You have your smoke detector, your reset lights, the flooring complements. So the room is very light, very modern. Yes, gray, vanity. The design is not heavy. The people who purchase or rent this space can choose to highlight different walls now with different colors. They give you a finish that you could decorate. And that's the cool thing here. The floor, the vanity, everything has this very modern look. Nice. You have enough outlets. Stool flush nicely. Cabinets are fitting nice. Okay. Wow. What a beauty. Beautiful work. Spiritually, when you walk into this room, you feel relaxed. Cupboard door them look straight. Closet door looks straight. Framing is nice. Uh-huh. And there could be an exhaust for the underneath the microwave. The handles are nice. The sink handles and the backsplash. Everything complements each other. Now you can change colors. Okay. The bathroom is very, very modern. Uh-huh. The faucet is good. Flushing toilet, no handle. Press. Nice. Toilet big enough. Kinda know some I love my big woman them. Yes. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Is this a video?
'Cause everything is gonna work out right, you know.
Boom, turn on the light. Yes.
Aha. Turn on the other light.
Boy, multiple light switch. Hey, hey,
Let's take a quick walk through.
we're moving up like the Jeffersons. Boy, we're rich now. CK Constructions 913 912 3292.
Okay, let's look over here first.
The Jamaicans them sell off 2022.
Bedroom,
Bedroom.
lights.
Eh? I want knocks in thing in the house.
Closet. Lights for the closet.
Lights for closet too. Okay, more shelves for later. All right.
Bathroom entrance side. 1, 2.
Okay, I have multiple lights in the bathroom. Very good. Mm-hmm.
Shower. And another door to go back outside into the kitchen.
Oh. Okay. Just a
And
look.
that's it. That's it. We finito. Hey.
So people, CK Constructions in New York, 913 912 3292. Leave a message. 913 912 3292. Leave a message. Look at the work. You watched this video, you saw what we started with. It's 24 minutes of just beauty. Jamaicans, we can do this. the beauty of a craftsman, give these guys some 5 stars. We saw where they started from ground up and we saw what them deliver. This is our countrymen that are doing good things. If you have a construction company, you want to share your work with me, reach out to me. But these guys, you want to be on their waiting list. Leave a message 913 912 3292. 913 912 3292. CK Constructions. Love it. Let's look at the tiling. The grout complements the tiles. And once everything shine up now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Uh-huh. It's a small place. Tiling is nice. Okay. Very nice. Multiple electrical outlets. Yes. There's 3 outlets that I'm seeing right now. That's good. Another outlets. Outlets again. That's for the television. So right there, the television of them outlets. I think they put everything for the cable wires also. When all right. So that's it, people. Thank you for watching the video. You're gonna see me do some construction work on my mother's house, and these guys are gonna be coming to my mother's house to do some work on the tile. So I share this with you because when it comes to quality, I always want to promote Jamaica Good Life. Them get the Jamaica Good Life star. CK Constructions, you did a good job. You should be proud of yourself that first of all, Randy gave the seal of approval. And if we go back in time and see where we're coming from, Jamaicans, we're coming from afar. You can see how far these guys are coming from with this project right here. So keep the business in our family. And other construction companies, reach out to me. I would have to review your work. You have to impress me because to get a Jamaica Good Life review is a big deal. All right. We don't like thief. We don't like procrastination. We don't like to be gouged. And we like straight talk. Because when we work on throw with some money, if you say I can do something, do it right. And it seems like these guys at CK Constructions know them for a long time. Them have to answer to me. Because if them not do it right, when they call me, I just put them on blast. And boy, so this is what them start from. And them complete to this. So big up to all Jamaicans all over the world who wants work done. Be on these guys' waiting list. 913, 912, 3292. Randy in there. All right, so we're going to look on the final thing. All of this that they did. Good job. Great job. I'm impressed. These guys can work on my house anytime. I have to keep it Jamaican. Jamaicans for Jamaicans. Only the good one, them. Because we know say some of them out the road, them no normal. I know every Jamaican you can work with. But when you find the good ones, you have to be on a waiting list. There you go. This is the waiting list you want to be on. 913, 912, 3292. 913, 912, 3292. And then I'm going to do another review. I'm going to give you the Thailand company that I love. The Thailand company that I love to buy my tiles. You're going to see something. So I'm getting into little construction home renovation on the program, and I'm doing some home renovation myself. So look out for my video on some home renovation stuff that I'm working on. Again, check out CK Construction. There you go. 913 912 3292. Just leave a message here. Somebody will get back to you.